Good day all, and welcome back to South Africa, and this is South African Patriot. So for this video, the EFF, the Economic Freedom Fighters, will be marching to Urania. Now in my other channel, I made a video about Urania and my thoughts about Urania, and the comments were ridiculous. We've got a couple of people that needs to go study a bit about what Urania is about. But what I want to speak to you about with pertaining to this case is that the EFF will now be marching to Urania, protesting the existence of the only white town in South Africa. So the question I'm asking myself is, number one, is why do they hate Urania so much? And the first reason I could think of was that currently the EFF, they actually lost quite a lot of votes in the last election. So in order for them to stay relevant, they always need to do things that stands out, radical things. That is the only way they can actually be relevant, because in Parliament they don't have a lot of say, and it seems like their voters are leaving them as well. So, and the other thing is that I think they hate the fact that white people in South Africa are actually progressing. Urania is progressing. Urania is working. Urania is standing out as most possibly the only municipality in South Africa that works. And the irony about this is that Urania doesn't get any state help or state finances. So normally a municipality will get some provincial finances in order for them to deliver services. So if I understand it correctly, Urania actually pays the provincial government in the Northern Cape taxes as well. So they are paying money into the fiscus, but they're not getting any rewards or any benefits back. So what's really upsetting to me about this whole EFF march to Urania is not so much about Urania. It's more about white people in South Africa. It seems like these people deny the existence of white people. It's as if, and we've heard the commentary about white people in South Africa, how we are animals and how we are dogs and how we are subhuman. And it seems like that in South Africa we are not allowed to be human. We are not allowed to live our cultural ways we do. And that is essentially what Urania is. Urania is a cultural town. It's 3,000 people that decided they would no longer want to live with other cultures, and they segregated themselves by way of their own choices. It's a decision that they made to remove themselves from other cultures. Now, that is actually written into the Constitution of South Africa. You are allowed to do that. So the EFF hates the existence of Urania because it works and because it's white, and just because they're idiots that want to stay relevant. So I have never in my life in South Africa heard a white person say, but that specific area is too black. The blacks are not allowed to be on their own. I've never heard that from a white person in my life. Yet it is done in the reverse. Urania is white. Urania is too white. That's absolute. They are denying the humanity and the life of white people in South Africa, and that's unacceptable. I cannot deny black people's rights. They want to be equal, and I said this before. Let's be equal, buddy, Mr. Malema. Let's be equal. Let's do a little bit of a contest. Let's see who can fix the roads the fastest with the same money and the same people. Let's see who can build the biggest farm in the same period with the same finances. Let's have a competition. And you see, that is why a Malema, and by the way, Malema is paid to do this. Ironically enough, he's got a white handler. And this will be a shock to a lot of you. He's got a white handler. It's the same with the MK party. They have got white handlers as well. And these two handlers are fighting it out with each other because they're not finding common ground. And it's the same with the ANC. They've got white handlers as well. To push South Africa into a specific pathway, into a specific direction. Okay, and this direction is not good. It's only going to benefit certain people. South African Patriot, like, share and subscribe, and God bless.